Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your resume from Indeed and optimize for LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To download your resume from Indeed, start by navigating to the Indeed website. Log in to your Indeed account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Profile tab at the top of the page. In the Profile section, locate the Resume option. Click on the Resume link to access your saved resumes. On the resume page, look for the Download button. Select the Download option to save your resume to your device. Now that you have your resume downloaded, it's time to optimize it for LinkedIn. Open your LinkedIn account in a new browser tab. Navigate to your LinkedIn profile by clicking on your profile picture. Once on your profile, look for the Add Profile section button. Click on it to reveal various options for adding content to your profile. Choose Recommended and then select Add Featured. In the Featured section, click on the plus icon to add a new document. Upload the resume file you downloaded from Indeed. After uploading, make sure to edit the title and description to accurately reflect your experience. Next, scroll down to the About section of your LinkedIn profile. Edit your summary to include keywords relevant to your industry. Focus on highlighting your skills, accomplishments, and goals. Then, move to the Skills section of your profile. Add relevant skills that align with your resume and industry standards. Ensure to reorder them by importance to showcase your strongest abilities first. Next, review your Experience section. Verify that all roles and responsibilities listed match your resume and reflect your current job status. Focus on quantifying your achievements with specific metrics when possible. Finally, double-check your entire LinkedIn profile for consistency. Make sure your resume and LinkedIn profile tell a cohesive story about your professional journey. This completes the process of downloading your resume from Indeed and optimizing your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.